What does pandemics refer to? A. Being neutral. B. An epidemic disease. C. Freedom to decide on issues. D. The process of buying. The correct answer is B. An epidemic disease. What is required for a representative to obtain posts? A. Financial contribution. B. Approval of a single leader. C. Physical strength. D. A majority of votes. The correct answer is D. A majority of votes. How was the celebration described? A. Short. B. Boring. C. Quiet. D. Jubilant. The correct answer is D. Jubilant. Who constitutes the cabinet in consultation with the Governor? A. The President. B. The Speaker. C. The Chief Justice. D. The Chief Minister. The correct answer is D. The Chief Minister. What was the first enactment in democratic decentralization in the state in the post-independence era? A. The Indian Independence Act, 1947. B. The Constitution of India, 1950. C. The Madras Village Panchayats Act, 1950. D. The States Reorganization Act, 1956. The correct answer is C. The Madras Village Panchayats Act, 1950. What did Sudhar's father say Sudhar had the right to do? A. Play outside. B. Watch the film. C. Eat sweets. D. Go to a party. The correct answer is B. Watch the film. Which of the following is most likely to be a road safety rule? A. Ignoring traffic signals. B. Playing loud music while driving. C. Adhering to speed limits. D. Driving without a seat belt. The correct answer is C. Adhering to speed limits. Which principal organ of the United Nations was empowered to set up a commission for the promotion of human rights? A. The Security Council. B. The International Court of Justice. C. The Economic and Social Council, ECOSOC. D. The General Assembly. The correct answer is C. The Economic and Social Council, ECOSOC. Who was the French philosopher who propounded the idea of an independent judiciary? A. Rousseau. B. Montesquieu. C. Diderot. D. Voltaire. The correct answer is B. Montesquieu. Is the Governor a member of either house of the state legislature? A. Yes, of both houses. B. Yes, of the lower house. C. No, he is not a member. D. Yes, of the upper house. The correct answer is C. No, he is not a member. What organization was formed on 24th October 1945? A. The League of Nations. B. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights. C. The United Nations Organization. D. The International Red Cross. The correct answer is C. The United Nations Organization. What do fundamental rights help make meaningful for people? A. Their travel. B. Their leisure time. C. Their life. D. Their work. The correct answer is C. Their life. What is considered the backbone of democracy? A. Political parties. B. Judicial independence. C. A strong military. D. Economic stability. The correct answer is A. Political parties. Which court was created by the Government of India Act 1935? A. Federal Court. B. High Court. C. Privy Council. D. Supreme Court. The correct answer is A. Federal Court. Who is the Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces? A. Chief Justice. B. Speaker of the Lok Sabha. C. President. D. Prime Minister. The correct answer is C. President. What is the lower house of the Indian Parliament called? A. Lok Sabha. B. Vidhan Parishad. C. Rajya Sabha. D. Sansad Bhavan. The correct answer is A. Lok Sabha. Which of the following is matched with villages? A. Gram Sabhas. B. Zilla Parishad. C. Ward committees. D. Mayor. The correct answer is B. Zilla Parishad. What is the maximum time allowed for a person to be elected to Parliament after being appointed as a minister? A. 2 years. B. 6 months. C. 3 months. D. 1 year. The correct answer is B. 6 months. What fundamental aspect does the Indian Constitution guarantee to its citizens? A. Religious superiority. B. Fundamental rights. C. Social stratification. D. Economic prosperity. The correct answer is B. Fundamental rights. Which of the following is an example of an objective for India's foreign policy related to domestic development? A. Decreasing access to global markets. B. Improving technological access. C. Reducing capital inflow. D. Limiting foreign investment. The correct answer is B. Improving technological access. What is necessary in multireligious modern nation-states? A. Dominance of one religion. B. Separation of religions. C. Conversion to a single religion. D. Tolerance of all religions. The correct answer is D. Tolerance of all religions. What is the minimum age against child labor exploitation? A. 14 years. B. 12 years. C. 16 years. D. 18 years. The correct answer is A. 14 years. When man started to live in groups, what was formed? A. Empires. B. Sports clubs. C. Tribes. D. Kingdoms. The correct answer is C. Tribes. How many basic consumer rights are explicitly mentioned in the text? A. 7. B. 4. C. 8. D. 6. The correct answer is B. 4. Which body is responsible for recognizing a party as a state party in India? A. The Supreme Court of India. B. The Parliament of India. C. The Election Commission of India. D. The President of India. The correct answer is C. The Election Commission of India. According to what do both the central and state governments work? A. The Constitution. B. Party manifestos. C. Executive orders. D. Public opinion. The correct answer is A. The Constitution. Which concept is explained as a significant part of India's foreign policy learning objectives? A. Non-alignment. B. Disarmament. C. Cultural exchange programs. D. Economic protectionism. The correct answer is A. Non-alignment. In which type of market are buyers and sellers limited to a local region? A. Local markets. B. Global markets. C. Regulated markets. D. National markets. The correct answer is A. Local markets. How can the Attorney General of India be removed from office? A. By the President at any time. B. By the Prime Minister's order. C. By a vote in the Lok Sabha. D. By a resolution of the Supreme Court. The correct answer is A. By the President at any time. Where are quick response ambulances parked for use by foreign delegates? A. Near international borders. B. Every 50 kilometers on the national highways. C. In city centers. D. At major airports. The correct answer is B. Every 50 kilometers on the national highways. How did you score?